we have to really considering about the lingual joint area, which is make more thicker, and then we're trying to make this more thicker as possible in between the joint area. Then we can cut it to the facial appropriate, not a lot, and then we make the good contour, which is our designer did a really nice job. When we have a 2 implant, especially this 5 unit, compared to what you see the video is 4 unit, we have to really considering about the lingual joint area, which is make more thicker, because easily breaking even though we make the monolithic. And also using the 3Y types of a more stronger, more opacity. That's a little problem in order to make this better aesthetic as possible. So instead of the 4Y, which is terminology for zirconia, and then we're trying to make this more thicker as possible in between the joint area. Then we can cut it to the facial appropriate, not a lot, and then we make the good contour, which is our designer did a really nice job. From here, actually we fabricated the custom abutment, and then the top of this we fabricated another 5 unit. First, I checked this in the midline from the mounting. Either doctor sent to us this face bow or stick bite. Midline first, and then we're trying to correct it. And then we make the same symmetry in both of the width and contact. And then here, we can cut it here a little bit. Of course, I've checked the occlusion context, right, before I go to the finals. And this color is pretty good right now. Basically, we fabricate the finals contouring and then color, right? And then this is contouring starting after C, just a little bit with disc. I'm using the horico. So make just a little bit slightly open, not a lot. See, they already here is just bigger. Possibly we're using the pink porcelain here. Anyway, we're trying to make it close as possible. And the patient's Jason teeth. This is the first step. I would like to show you before what I go to finals. I all the time modify with the disc. And then Pontic, we're trying to make a little bit more, decrease the modify, and then lingual contouring and shaping, and then make this better smooth line in between the tools. You have to using all the times the water to get the moisture. Make more 3-dimension in between the tools, not a lot, just a little bit. And then finally, after we modify all this, and then I apply with the luster or Mio from Jensen, then create the lifelike restoration, especially entire tools, incisor 1/3. That's the formula. This. So after this, trim a little bit here, just a little more softer, and then we can put the contour is pretty good. Just make sure the contour is with the zirconia. A little bit more. Smooth and make the final good. Contour. Nice. So this is a basic concept. After that, so I can apply with so I just share with the contouring long axis toward the majorly, and you can see the better contour. So this is one of the example after finish the contour. I did not finish yet, but I can show them a little bit about some of the idea. So we'll utilize the slight blue. It's totally up to the technician how much they put, but depends on what material they use. That one you can easily create it inside of 1/3 of the enamel. Still see, and also you can apply with a halo. Now you can recreate it like this. To me, this is too much. Then you can add a little bit more in between the blue, so you can diminish. Then you can make nice distal enamel looking compared to the other Jason T's, which is monolithic. So that one is our magic story. Like here, just only put the enamel. You see the big difference? The same concept. And then for the embrasure, is light. Then you can use it's light. You can put it here. More warm. Sorry, that was recreated. The color in between the tools, same as Jason T's tool. Just diminish the little blue line, and then we recreate it. And also you can use the beige color or white, and then recreate it as well, just like this. Okay, so regarding the facial gingival 1/3, depends on the created A1 and B1. Just create the body. So it depends on create the body here, all the way enamel. That was another good idea. Right, so you can see more chroma. See, there's more chroma. Depends on what you're approaching. A2, A1, B1, so you can create it. And here's a little bit more dark neck, and then you can add a bit more. Then you can recreate it. All these cases. That's our secret. Even though you can put the membrane color in between the tools, you can do that. Over here, you have to know the thickness and the bake time. Then you can see how much is differences is outside texture. Then you can make the good finer color from the monolithic. Alright, so you can see our final video from Dr. John Vargas. Thanks.